Hey, what up YouTube? This is your girl PM, come to you live from the AMPM studios. This is my first official unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the iPad Pro! I'm excited to unbox it in front of all you guys. Here it is, iPad Pro. I got the 12.9 inch iPad Pro. This is my first iPad. It's a present. I'm excited to open it and show you guys. I've been wanting one of these for a really long time because I've been wanting to do a lot of digital art. And I've been doing a lot of practicing at the Apple Store and Best Buy to see if I really liked it and how the pen feels on the iPad Pro, and it feels really great. So I decided this is what I want for Christmas or buy it myself. Lucky I have my wonderful AM to buy it for me for Christmas, and I'm going to unbox it right now. One thing that's cool about the Apple products is that it has this wonderful little tab of plastic. It feels so good to peel it off. There it goes. I do really like how Apple package its products. One thing I can tell about this box too is that it's pretty heavy. It feels quite sturdy. It has a cool design, very sleek. I'll show you this part. The back says iPad Pro, 12.9 inch, Wi-Fi cellular, 64 gigabytes, some barcodes. Well, let's slide it up. This beautiful, hefty box. It's coming out now. Here it is. It's opening. I'm gonna let gravity and wiggling do its work. Ooh la la. Here it is. My iPad has a little tab. Oh, this is how you get it out. It's pretty tight, it fits in there. Here it is. It's in a nice little sleek cover here. I'm not quite sure. Looks like there's a tab. It's how you get to what it looks like. Ooh. Oh, precious. Ooh. I'm gonna throw that plastic to the side. Wow. Guys, it's really great. It has a camera. It's the iPad logo. I like the dark silver color. I'm going to turn it on right here. I wonder if you have to charge it. No, there it goes. It's turning on. One thing that impressed me also with the new iPad Pros, is the bezel is really small. And I chose a size for art purposes because it's a little bit bigger. It's like about the size of a notebook. Hello! Swipe up to open. English. Do we need to do this right now? I don't know. Set up manually. Maybe? I don't know. To do a quick start? I don't know if you want to see all this. But you can see, look at this big, large screen that I can do my doodles. I can do laptop stuff. That was another reason why I got this size. Is I also don't have a really nice laptop. I don't really need one, but in case I do, I can have my iPad. Dual laptop, art pad, multi-purpose, simple to use, minimalist product. I love it. Also, that's what's in here is the charging cord. Got a hefty big plug-in and the standard new little this plug-in. This is interesting. It looks a little different than what you might find on the 10 and 8 phones. It's a little bit of a bigger, I don't know what you call this, plug-in? Little doohickey? But it's different than the other Apple products. They look like they match too. They're both the same. So maybe it doesn't matter which end you plug into the bottom and which one you plug into this other plug-in block. Wow, there you have it, guys. I also have some more probably information cards. iPad Pro, hello. Hello there. It's all the tips that I'm definitely going to read through. Power off, face recognition, there's a control center, all that good stuff. I am so excited to use this. Highly recommend you guys getting into iPads. This is very cool. Well, there you have it, people. New iPad Pro, 12.9 inch. Alright, thanks YouTube. If you want to see more, please like and subscribe. AMPM Adventures. Peace.